biggest man in the world. Or Dad. Tell me who's the biggest man in the world. Or Dad. Oh!
You guys, all right, Frankie, you didn't put your pants on. That's good. Set
Look at this.
Put your pants on. Let's get dressed and.
I did.
You gotta stop at the drugstore first. We have to go in.
I'm gonna turn you. This is gonna be creepy, but I'm gonna turn you into a big diaper of fear. Well, that was weird. I'm gonna guard myself from the evil force. Mommy, where are my socks? The cat spot. Mr. Dog takes over the world. We have lost track of the spot cat. Switching to camera 6. Camera 7. Camera 16. Camera 16 zoom. Camera 16 stop. We have found the spot cat finally. Camera 5. Perfect. Camera 5 up. Stop camera 5. Zoom camera 5. Camera 26. Right to camera 26. Ready? 5. Steady camera 5. Camera 5 up. Go 9. Okay. Zoom out 9. Stay 9. Focus on cat. Focus on cat. The screen is very good. Okay. Ready, 7? 7. Yeah, wow, watching this screen is pretty cool. Okay. Uh-oh, she sees the camera. Quickly, before she destroys it, go 76. Okay, not such a good one. Ready, 930. Go, 9. Ooh, I guess this is pretty good, but let's go to 17 again. Ready, 17. Resume 17. Side 17. Cut off sound 17. On sound 20. Now I forgot which 95 was. Ooh, wait, I think I remember where 95 was. God, ready 95, go 95. Okay. 95. Yes, that's perfect. This is the best way to watch what this evil feisty cat does without getting scratched. Yes. Let me let you in, Shillbill. Okay. Here's our dog. There, good dog. Let's take a look at our dog. Ready, 65? Go, 65. Uh-oh. 32. Okay, turn bit. Turn a little more. Zoom. Okay, look down. Perfect. What the? Oh no, it's coming loose. Go 3. 14. Uh-oh. Zoom out. Okay. Let's go back to 37. The end.